Today we're going to be starting our Florida weave on all of our tomato plants, and we got Mocha out here that's going to be hopefully not eating our plants. No. Our tomato plants are looking absolutely amazing, guys. They all have phenomenal growth on them. I did prune the bottom on pretty much all of them, as you guys can see. Well, Mocha, you gonna help me weave? I'll take that as a no. The Florida weave is, I'm basically just weaving in between all of my tomato plants and then connecting to my next T-post over there. Alright guys, so we just got our first weave done. So as you guys can see, so I started on this side and I just came through and just went like that in between all of them. Just basically S-ing through all of them. And then when I got to this T-post, I just wrapped it around once. And then basically just did the same exact thing, guys, but going the opposite direction. And that is the Florida weave, and that's gonna support my tomatoes as they grow up, and hopefully I can get these as tall as the T-posts. I'm gonna do this every 4 to 6 inches. Alright guys, so thanks again for tuning in on this garden update with the Florida weave starting. I'm very excited. The tomatoes are looking amazing this year, and pretty much everything else is just now starting to pop off. We have had a lot of chilly weather lately, so all the spicy peppers are growing a little slower, but it's supposed to get really hot really fast here soon, so very excited to watch them take off as well. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm super excited with how the garden's turning out. And for more gardening content, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We got plenty of gardening videos coming soon, and plenty of new animal videos coming soon. I've got to get these piggies moved again very, very soon. Got some more step-in posts coming for them, and then I'll be able to move them again and seed where they're at now, so that'll be very exciting. Then I got some more plans in the near future for a couple other projects, so stay tuned, guys. That's gonna wrap this one up, and yeah guys, hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.